Askar from Indonesia.
Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullah.
Alaikum salam wa barakatuh.
Yes. Once a week, my masjid holds a gathering or like a majlis, led by a Daii who shaves his beard and extends his clothes beyond his ankle. So I don't attend it. Because I judged him based on how he dresses. When I was asked by my mother why, I simply said I don't like the Daii. And I believe my answer was not very nice and diplomatic. Sheikh, I apologize if this ends up as a double question. You may answer either one, it's up to you. Can you advise me on this matter, on how to choose which Da'i to listen to, and how to answer such question as to why I don't listen to certain Da'i? Jazakallah khairan.
Wajazak. This is something that you have to apply diplomacy and wisdom. Sometimes it's not wise to say what you feel or you believe when that would have a negative impact upon others, such as your mother. So if there is something you don't like about this Da'i, and you have the right not to want to listen to someone who's clean shaven or wears his garments below the ankles, acknowledging that he is sinful and going against the teachings of the Prophet ﷺ, likewise when he shaves his beard. Not that we're labeling him to be a hypocrite or a disbeliever. No, these are sinful. And yes, someone would argue and say these are issues of dispute. When you come to an issue that is, as the beard, 99.99% agreed upon scholars of Islam since God knows when, that it is mandatory and it's prohibited to shave. You can't come to the 0.01 difference of someone coming and stating that, well, it's an issue of dispute. Because this is not how Islam is viewed and followed. The issue of the clothes below the ankles, the hadith is crystal clear. So if someone fails to follow these clear hadith and decides to take difference of opinions and have his belief related to it, should I learn from him or take his preaching? The answer is no. It's like going to a physician or a doctor seeking remedy for my illness, and I find him overweight and having problems health-wise, and he smokes. How can I take his opinion? He doesn't walk the talk. So the same thing goes when you listen and learn from someone who is not a real sheikh, a real preacher, someone who does not practice the religion correctly, and Allah knows best.